Andres. You see, you're gonna be recording. It's already recording, so just point it at you.
I'm gonna record.
Okay, so real quick.
I'm a natural recorder.
Okay, so, alright, this lab, real quick,
dude.
I want to go to this lab. If you guys missed the previous lab, that's alright. Now we're actually getting to the real heavy stuff here. So that means that those of you guys people that were absent today, what they're going to do is, and if you're absent in the future on a lab day, I'm going to post videos of the lab up on YouTube or online or something like that, so that way you guys can kind of keep up with the lab even though you miss it. Because with these labs, you got to build up on top of these labs. If you miss a lab from now on, remember, each lab builds upon another lab, just like how chemistry basically builds upon each chemistry class. So if you miss a lab, be sure to check it out online. I'm going to put the link up online or on YouTube. Okay, so about this over here, I want you guys to take a look. Write your name at the top. Be sure your name is at the top. I want you guys to go ahead and write a hypothesis. Here in this box it says hypothesis. You guys are going to write water boils at, and you're going to put down your own temperature. For example, I would write down water boils at. My hypothesis is water boils at 1 million degrees Celsius. It's a crazy number, but I don't want to give you guys any clue as to what water boils at. You're going to figure that out. Remember, it can be any number. Any number.
Celsius?
It's going to be degrees Celsius.
Celsius?
Yeah, in degrees Celsius.
Celsius?
Yeah, in Celsius.
What if you don't know?
Hold on, what do I be putting the oven?
350. Just take a shot at it.
350.
I mean the stove.
No, well,
You know, like when you boil water?
No.
Put it on the stove? I don't boil water?
Yeah,
So when
I
you
just
your
I was
hypothesis.
boiled water, I put something in water.
I'm feeling like when I just go low to high.
I just have the numbers.
Is that what?
What?
You move that camera?
Huh?
Can you move that camera?
Yeah.
Can you move it?
Move it where?
Just anywhere.
No. It's supposed to be pointed at him.
Fahrenheit is a lot higher than Think about it that way.
Like camera.
Oh, you're recording now?
I'm not pointing at y'all.
You guys are
Yeah.
reading in Fahrenheit?
When I first looked at it, like,
I'm just watch through.
when I first looked back, it was like it was.
Nah. It's always pointed at him.
Okay, so from Fahrenheit, you guys want to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius?
Yeah. I don't want to mess with
Fahrenheit
that.
plus 32 times 9/5 equals just a crazy number. So that way, just want you guys to take a shot at it. Just take a guess. Just because it's an equation that you're going to have to convert back and forth. I just want you guys to take, I'll give you guys a clue. Don't go higher than, okay, between 0 degrees to 200. Don't go higher than 200.
I got 150.
degrees Celsius. That's a good one. So don't go higher than 200. So, with your hypothesis.
It's a stove.
So what?
I don't know. 132. I wish I had one of the glasses that could.
Alright, I didn't know that.
Don't worry about that.
132 degrees there.
I don't want to answer that because I don't want to give off. If you think that's where it boils at,
Changing my number.
go ahead and do that. So, alright, so those of you guys that know Fahrenheit, let's do it this way.
Oh, wait, but he's not here, so it's
Go ahead and put it in Fahrenheit, but record that in Celsius, and I'm going to give you the equation to convert it to Celsius to give you more minutes. That's good for you guys. Okay, so, for your hypothesis, you're going to write down water boils at a certain degree, whatever it is. For your observation, as your water, you're going to be boiling water, you're going to find out the boiling point of water. When it starts to boil, you guys are going to write down your observations to the water, to the beaker. Does it fog up? Does it cloud up? Do bubbles form? All that good stuff. Just throughout the whole entire experiment. Yeah, write down your observations. Conclusion is at the end. We're going to talk about the conclusion at the end, so leave that blank. Go ahead and look at minutes and temperature. I want you guys to put 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, just like this, for minutes. You're going to put minutes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, for example, in the little box, you're going to put 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Just like this. So what it means by this is, after 2 minutes, you're going to record the temperature. After 4 minutes, you're going to record the temperature. After 6 minutes, you're going to record the temperature. And this doesn't mean that you guys recorded 2 minutes and you wait 4 minutes. You're going to record it every 2 minutes, in other words. So I'm going to put an online timer. I'm going to put a timer here up on the board. After 2 minutes, you record the temperature. Then you wait another 2 minutes. you record the temperature. And you wait another 2 minutes, and you record the temperature, and you wait another 2 minutes, and record the temperature. Make sense?
Right.
Okay, so that's going to be filled up. After you get this filled up, you're going to graph all of this here in this little graph on the back. You're going to graph it out, draw the points, and draw the lines to connect the points. And also, remember, as soon as the water starts boiling, this is very important. Everyone listen to this. As soon as the water starts boiling, or you think it's boiling, you turn the gas off. So as soon as you think the water is boiling, you turn the gas off. Remember, to turn it on, the gas goes towards the middle. You turn it off, you turn it either to the right all the way or to the left all the way. So as soon as the water boils, you go ahead and turn the gas off. And whenever the water starts boiling, you're going to see what the temperature is and write down your temperature, your result, which you find the temperature being. Right here on this side like that. And then you're going to basically plug that into your you're going to plug that in as your result into the percent error equation, and I will tell you what the accepted value actually is. And you're going to see how off you were, what your percent error is with this experiment. So you guys are learning a bunch of different things. You guys are actually applying a hypothesis. You guys are going to be doing percent error. You guys are going to do graphing. Also, the equipment. Since you guys are a pretty smart class, with you guys, I'm not going to put you guys through a little boot camp. A lot of teachers basically a lot of the chemistry teachers put students through boot camps, basically to make sure that they're not, screwing around, making sure that they're on point with their chemistry, motor skills. But I'm just going to throw you guys into it. So that means that you guys, I'm just going to throw you guys back there in y'all's groups, same groups that you guys were in last class. Those of you guys that are new in the class, I'm going to basically talk to you, tell you what group you're going to be in. If you don't know what group you're in, come talk to me and I'll pull it up on the list. So, just remember, you guys are going to go back there, you guys are going to put the equipment together. On top of not knowing how to put the equipment together, I'm not going to tell you guys how to put it together. I'm going to challenge you guys. So, we're going to skip the boot camp, just going to throw you guys in the trench. Also, I'm not going to tell you how to set anything up. All I'm going to tell you is I want water to boil. You're going to figure that out. That's all I'm going to tell you. I want water to boil, I want you to measure the temperature.
We're gonna make some cocaine.
You're going to set that up yourself.
Cocaine.
Also, on top of that, I took out one piece of equipment to throw you guys off. So you're going to be doing experiments, not knowing how to set anything up.
And leave out fire.
You're also going to be missing a piece of equipment to throw you guys off.
Oh my God.
And all I'm going to ask you is to boil water and measure it. That's it. And I want 200 milliliters of oil. So, I want to challenge you guys, take you guys to another level with this. Okay, real quick. Today, we're going to be dealing with CH4. What's CH4?
Water.
What is CH4?
Carbon.
Carbon dioxide. Carbon methane.
Carbon. Oh.
What is methane?
Yeah.
What's in oil?
Gas. This kind of gas is what? Explosive. This gas is explosive. So, that means that if the gas fills up this room, what's going to happen?
Everybody's dead.
Yeah, we're not going to have school next class. Because this class is
Thank
probably on
God.
fire. I'm not
That's
going
methane. That's
I don't want to tell you guys that.
Yeah,
Maybe I don't want to come to school.
Press the zoom button. Press the zoom button, because I can press it. Press the zoom button.
Either way, someone's going to be tested out.
No, zoom. Yeah, that one.
Pay attention. I surprise. So either way, someone's going to be tested on me, because whoever gets done setting up their thing first, they're going to be the one that's going to be the one to basically light the Bunsen burner. I'm not going to tell you how to do it. I'm not going to show you how to do it. I'm just going to tell you to do it.
I know.
So be prepared for that. Real quick, if you can't light the Bunsen burner within 30 seconds, I want you to turn that gas off. Because if you're not lighting the gas on fire, what's happening to the gas?
This is going up.
It's going out, it's expanding, it's going to fill this place with gas, and then someone lights a spark. Yeah, we blow up. We're not going to be here.
Yeah, butter.
So,
Yeah,
you should be scared. I want you guys to be scared. You guys are going to be
you
dead.
gotta get on the ground. Because it goes up. You gotta be a stop, drop, roll.
So I want you guys to be a little bit scared about this because, remember, with chemistry, it's all about nerves. You're going to get your nerves out during this class. So if you're kind of nervous about lighting this stuff on fire, dealing with gas, Bunsen burners, you're going to get over that fear.
Let's blow up some stuff.
Has anyone had any bad experiences with fire? Past. Colvin, what's your bad experience?
The barbecue caught on fire, like everything.
Did you catch on
like
fire?
This? No.
And you're alright.
You
Has anyone caught on fire before? Been burned?
You
You sure caught on fire? That's pretty close. Anyone been boiled before? Had boiling water spill on them?
Oh,
Yeah.
a
Okay.
boiling egg popped on my face. Yeah.
Bro, that hurt you.
Like, because my mom never used to stove, so I used to microwave. Bad decision. I'm just peeling.
Okay, so boiling water, real quick. Pay attention to this. Boiling water. When you spill boiling water on your hand, what happens?
But my head burns.
It burns. What's the physiology behind that? What happens? What happens to your skin?
It
Bubbles up. Why?
and then it peels.
Because it's hot. The water, basically, your skin, underneath your skin, your body's made up of what? Water. When you heat up water, what happens to water? Bubbles, it boils, it expands. So basically, the heat's going to be so hot that it's going to hit your skin that the water underneath your skin is going to expand, causing a big bubble on your skin that you can just pop.
And blood explodes.
It's real gross.
So blood is cold?
Blood comes out of you.
I have to go and do that. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't
You
need
said,
So, don't get, so what?
experience with
between all.
As in being on fire, boil, or anything like that.
I can imagine that too. Watching your skin boil.
I like playing with them.
That's what happened on World Star Hip Hop when them dudes got caught on fire.
Yeah, and fresh.
Yep. I was laughing. It was so funny. I watched that thing like 5 times. Some dudes got caught on fire for stealing potatoes. In Kenya.
No, anyway, chocolate. Good question. I want you to see what you got first. Okay, so real quick, eyes in front, refocus. So, eyes in front. Who's got gel in their hair?
That's them.
Christian got gel in his hair.
I got Murray's 360 waves.
Short.
I have hairspray.
Andreas' hair, make sure your hair doesn't get caught. So, those of you guys with hair,
What about like
hair,
Murray?
make sure you guys are tied back. If you don't have a band, do your best.
This dude can't do it because
Regardless,
he's drinking Jerry curl juice.
Okay, real quick.
That's not good.
Okay, eyes in front, pay attention. Okay, you guys are one of these strikers. All eyes in front. Look at this. This is a striker. The way you use the striker is, you're going to use 2 hands for it. The flint is kind of hard to work with, but you're going to push into it. So it's kind of like the striker, you're going to push it into the flint. So I'm pushing it in, then I'm going to just basically add pressure, and a spark will come out. There you go. And so basically you're just going to hold it over the Bunsen burner, just like that, have the spark, hopefully jump out over the gas, and it'll light on fire. So remember, you got 30 seconds, you got a 30-second window to light that Bunsen burner, because if this place fills up with gas,
Oh, that's hard to eat.
so, this is what I'm going to do. You guys know your group. Who doesn't know what lab they're in? What station
Oh, Tom?
in last class?
I do. I'm in Dane.
Okay. You're going to move Andreas.
Yeah, you are someone there.
Y'all three. Y'all three, Andreas, Frederick, Coleman. You're in lab station number 12.
I was with him.
Yeah, you partner with Huey. Dejan.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I was in this group last time.
That's my name.
Are we all in the group?
Are you with us?
Yeah.
Y'all are with us? Oh, they're their group.
Okay, so
No.
Michael's going to pass
He
out
could
the
be with you.
goggles.
It's cool.
And Tanisha's going to pass
I
out.
was in Dane's group last time.
Last year.
Dang it, Dang's not here.
Yeah, he's right
What does it
there.
say?
He's not here anymore.
My last name.
So you're going to be...
He's right there.
Dang. Where's Dan?
Dane's right there.
Who's your
The
group?
tall. What are you talking about?
Dang? That's Dejan.
Who's Dejan?
Anyways, just be with Andres. You're going to be with Frederick.
I'm with Dane.
So, you guys go ahead, as soon as you get all your equipment,
I'm not wearing
go
that.
ahead, go back to the lab, and set yourself
Dane.
up.
Why do you let him call you Dejan?
Doug, keep it quick.
And you're good.